for a vapor for
Verification complete on Matrix 7.
Ready for release.
Authorized. The raw amber venom is logged by a laser scanner, confirming the batch ID and ensuring complete traceability. Robotic pipetting arms precisely extract the clarified amber supernatant, ensuring only the peptide-rich solution.
The clarified amber peptide solution is pumped through a series of microfilters, ensuring its purity level is suitable for high.
The transmembrane pressure is stabilizing at 25 psi.
Good. The DAA-20 concentration looks optimal for the next phase.
The liquid Adder Analgesic Peptide DAA-20 is precisely dispensed into sterile glass vials, ensuring the finished Process A product, Adder Analgesic Peptide DAA-20, moves swiftly through the clean.
The gauge indicates the robust nature of this initial purification step, designed for speed and scale rather than molecular.
The Process B infrastructure allows for bulk handling. The amber toxin is agitated by slow-moving impellers, ensuring homogeneity. The robotic arm collects the concentrated amber toxin, which is then analyzed for density and viscosity to ensure standardization for distribution.
The Process B product, Death Adder Venom Pain Blocker, is securely archived deep within the automated cryogenic system. The 79 LTX shipment has arrived.
Confirming cryogenic stability.
The precise micro-injection ensures consistent dosing for neutralization assays, essential for antivenom research. The Process B finished product is in high demand, utilized globally in vital in vitro toxicology studies.
The physiological data confirms the potency of the Process B material. The response curve matches our hypothesis.
This changes everything.
The massive scale of this operation confirms the successful transformation of the bulk toxin into a...
The finished Process B material, Death Adder Antivenom, is rapidly distributed globally, showcasing... Underscoring the efficacy of Process B, the resulting antivenom is a direct link between our industrial process and critical, life-saving outcomes.
As the sun sets on the facility, the critical work continues. The Death Adder Venom pain